name this one. Alright, so I've started the stream, and tell me if you guys can see my Twitch, not my Twitch, but my Siege screen. Sometimes it takes like a minute for it to respond. Streaming right now. Has it showed up? Yeah. Wait, can you see my screen? Oh, okay. Alright. So after since saving up since December. Yeah, mute the audio, please. then I'm not gonna include the pody audio. Ryan, mute my stream. I'm gonna fucking mute you so I don't have to listen to my voice. Tell me if you just go down, are you stupid? Did you mute it, Ryan? Alright. China. Well, I can't hear it from China, so it's okay. Alright. So after saving up for... I don't even know how many months that is. I'm finally gonna open up all of these alpha packs. I literally have no right now. Look at that. I have 304. I spent all of it on the alpha packs this morning. But... hopefully, to kick off... This was terrible, by the way. To kick off this the beginning of this fucking alpha pack opening, I get something actually decent. God damn it. Yes, uncommon! Ew, not like so nasty. Dude, God, it's stupid. What is Michael? Oh, common. What is Michael watching? Oh, okay. Nothing that good, but towards like the big. Oh, okay. This is the first epic. All right. Please give me something good. God damn. It's a cool camo, but it's not what I wanted, dude. Oh, 2 in a row. Damn it. Ugh. Oh, legendary. What? That's a cool legendary, I guess. Common. I have that skin already. Oh, and I don't want to see any of these. Oh my god. God. Dude. Oh, I don't want any of this. Shut up. Oh, okay, wait, this is an epic. I kind of rushed through this. Alright. Hopefully, it's black ice for literally any... Shut up. Hopefully, it's black ice for any guns that I don't have black ice. Oh my god. For the M870? No! Dude. Oh, I don't even use that gun. Oh my god, another epic, for the love of God. Dude! Union Jack for mute? Oh my god. Common. Ew. I don't think there's one common that actually looks decent in this game. I got this on my Smurf, and I hate it so much. Let's go. Dub. Ew. Oh, what? I have that out for the stupid ump already. I just got that. Oh, an epic. Alright. Please be a black ice. I don't even care if it's for a pistol. Dang it! Oh my god! It's better than the stupid velvet shell one that I got. I have that skin for Twitch's gun. What is? It's literally, it's just gray. It's just a gray skin. There's nothing cool about this. Bulldozer. Dude. God, dude, how many are we already? We're down 31. Jesus. A rare. Canary. It's a yellow camo. Oh shit. Okay, a legendary. Alright. Please don't be anything that just sucks. I want camo go boy. Oh! Yes! This is one of the camos I did want actually, because it looks sick. This gun is so good. I'm actually so glad that I got that camo. That's such an ugly camo, Jesus. Epic. Please be something that is actually decent. I don't want another headgear for IQ. You did not. I did not get a black ice duplicate for fuses and Finka's LMG that I already have. Oh my... Dude, you're just like Dom, man. You don't want me to get anything good. That didn't happen. Talia, I don't... Oh, okay, wait a minute. Let's see. Please be... I want it to be Ella's Scorpion, or Ella's Shotgun, or... Ella's... Not Ella's, Zophia's Assault Rifle. Oh! Wait! Then that's another one that I wanted. That looks sick! I'm pretty sure you can you... No, wait. You can't buy this one. That looks sick. Yo, what do you think about that? Oh my god, 2 in a row. Please don't be a body or a headgear or a charm. Cunt. What? He has a... Dude, he's like... Dude, it's at school that has safety reasons. I'm not gonna say because... Yes, Frost Chibi. Please don't... The LMG. Ew. It's not even it. Dude, an Ella Chibi. Please don't be something trash. Dude, it's not even. Dude, you literally know nothing. It's just the bitrate of the game on my monitor. Ow. That's such. God, I'm so disappointed that that was a stupid duplicate black ice. No, that's. What? I don't want the yellow glow stick. Shut up. Dear God. My God. Oh, I thought I had this camo. Never mind. 2 rares. What is that? I don't think I'm ever gonna use that because I have the event stuff. God, dude, what are these universal skins? They're so ugly. Dude, you can't. Alright. Alright, you're muted. These camos are so ugly. Oh, okay. This is an epic. For the love of God, please don't be a duplicate black eye. So literally anything that's terrible. I don't want oil. It's not that bad of a camo. I just don't want it. Oh, yes! Oh my God! Yes, Capcan's SMG. It is good. What do you, dude? It's he's not. I'm not gonna play Tachanka, but I'm gonna play Capcan now. That is such a good black ice. Yes, it is. This is one of the ones I was wanting, too. Even Capcan has, like, the highest win rate in ranks. Yes! Oh my God. Like, Ryan, do you see why he's gold? Not Ryan, you're here. Ew, what is, dude? I don't. Dude, I keep getting chibis. Stop giving me chibis. I've gotten Ella, I've gotten Sledge, I've gotten, I think I got Mute, and I can't remember the other one, but really don't want chibis. Oh my God, stop giving me white noise gear. Brian, shush, please. I got that one. Dude, oh my God, I hate that camo. Alright, hold on. I have a feeling this is gonna be an epic right here. This is gonna be an epic. Oh, okay, well. I already have a cool headgear for Jaeger. Alright, this one's gonna be an epic. Watch this, watch. Oh my God. Dang it. Branches, I don't. Alright, epic. Nope, okay. Oops. I have 111. Dude, I hate those so bad. Epic? God, dude, another comment. I have that. What? I don't. I really don't like the Union Jack camos at all. Please don't, please don't. Ew. 3 rares? Is that 3 rares in a row? I don't want any of these rares. They're so bad. I don't know, like 100 something. We're about to be under 100. Ew, I don't want. I hate red crow and white noise gear. I just got another SGCQB camo. I've gotten this. This is the 3rd time I've gotten this stupid Cold War USA. Oh, it's an epic. Wait. Please do not be a duplicate. Oh! Oh, fuck! Holy shit! Oh. Let's go! Yes! Yes, I wanted Twitches F2 so bad! Holy! I'm putting this on the gram. Holy. Dude. Oh my god, that's one I wanted so bad. I'm so glad that I got this. I didn't think I would get it. Imagine having only SMG 11 Black Ice. I can't. I'm not Michael. Dude. I want Thermite's Black Ice. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Please don't be the headgear or anything for Ella or Zoe. Or literally, I just... What is... You can't be making this stuff up. That is literally... It's okay, but... Ah! 2 in a row again. Let's go. Oh my, wait, that's actually one of the camos I wanted too, and it's for a gun that I really like. It's not, no it's not. It's actually, I like it. I don't care what you say. Epic? Nope. Holy, I actually got, oh, another legendary? Okay, please be something good. Please don't be something terrible, please. Oh, okay, I'll take that. I like PASTEL engine, but I like his other camo, his epic camo for his gun more. Dude, stop giving me chibis! I'd rather take the like yellow glow stick over the chibi at this point. I like how we started off. Ew. Actually, that's okay. I like how we started off getting a duplicate Black Ice, dude. Ew. What? Oh, dude, it looks like he has like big ears. Like his ears are. He doesn't even have ears. I hate every Blood Goat, Orchid, and White Noise headgear and body that I see. And I... Yes, back over 10,000 renown. I don't want Chimera stuff either. They're so ugly. Don't ever say Chimera again. Oh wait. Dahlia? Dude, I hate Dahlia! I pressed it anyway. Okay, at least these are decent charms. These are at least a decent charm. It's not the yellow glow stick. Okay. Oh, please. Like, I wouldn't even be mad. I wouldn't even be mad if it wasn't a Black Ice, because I got a Black Ice, the Black Ice I wanted. the most. But I wouldn't even mind it, like, being, like, something cool. Ew, dude! This is so ugly! Dude, I don't want... I have it for the O4C, and I don't like it. Is it, what rarity is it? Isn't it uncommon? I don't want white noise gear. I don't want white noise gear. What? Okay, first of all, what is happening on the side of my screen? And second of all, why do I... Sketchy. Yep. Definitely looks like a kid dressed in black at school. Dude, I don't want the white noise gear, man. I hate it. An Iceman? Yeah, dude, I had this? I got a bottle opener. Alright. So what, we've gotten cap cans, we've got cap cans SMG, we've gotten the F2. This is gonna be a banger of a video, let's go. I hate this camo so much. Oh, an epic? I hate it. Please be something good. Yes! Oh my god! The AUG is one of my favorite guns in the game! No, it isn't! Even though I've been using IQ's GA1 way more recently, now I'm gonna be using a goddamn AUG again. Then that's true. I could use what mine. Another epic, please, for the love of God, be a black ice or be. Dude, that's not an epic. Dang it! No! 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 You know what? You know what? I'll take it. I'll take it just because it is black ice that I didn't have. But good God. I have 2 of Twitch's black ice primaries now. Oh my god. That was... Wait, that almost was 2... That was like some black ice really close together. I have IQ's Elite and I have a black ice for it. Oh, legendary. Okay, okay. Please be plasma pink. I would really enjoy if it was plasma pink. God, what is this? Dang, he has some cake on him though, but what is this? What? I don't... What are we at? We're at 56 left. Dude, this is like my 8th GB! Ew, that is so nasty, dear God. Alright, a legendary. Please be something good, for the love of God. Dude, Dude, I just got that. I literally got that one like 5 alpha packs ago. And dude, wait, why are there so many of these? This is so ugly. I have black ice for that. I knew you were gonna say that. I hate that so much. Oh my God, I hate white noise gear. I hate mushroom. Let's go. That's a fat dub. That is literally the most plain uniform ever. Oh, an epic? Please, please be something I really want. Dang it! I have black ice for that already. I don't want rabbit's foot, dude. Right, that looks cool for. Okay, that's a decent common. That's a decent common. Another epic, please be something good, please. Dang it! Ryan, rabbit foot isn't an epic. Shush. It is? Oh my, wait, I thought it was a rare. Legendary, plasma pink, come on. Whatever. I mean, that's okay. At least it's a cool skin. I hate every single Cold War skin so much. I don't know. Stop! I don't want to look at Glaz's eyes. Oh, an epic? Okay. Please give. I don't want rabbit's foot. I really don't want rabbit's foot. You got what you asked for. It's a good. Alright, I don't know why you. I don't know why. It doesn't look. I don't know why he wants me to get it so bad. Is it? I thought it was. Chimera, let's go. That's a fat dub. Please don't be a late. That's cool. That's actually really cool. But I don't ever play Blitz. An epic. Alright. Poggers. Is that seriously an epic? I thought that was a rare. That guy, that's Predator? Good God, that is not a good name. Alright, now we're hitting some of the commons. I hate white noise gear. Dude. Alright, this is starting. Alright. Epic, come on. Yes! Let's. Oh my God! Yes! Yes! Let's go! Yes! I got Jaeger! Oh my, he's gonna be so mad! He's gonna be so mad! He's gonna be so mad. Are you kidding? A camo that's super rare. Even though I've gotten like 6 of them. Oh my God, that's so. I'm so happy, dude. I got Twitch as F2. I got Jaeger. I got Capcan. I got SGCQB. And I've gotten. Was there one more? I got another one. IQ's Og. Yeah. Dude, I can't even complain. I can't even complain about any of these comments. What is that? I can't even complain about these commons or uncommons, dude. That's a fat dub. I don't like that. How many? We have 17 left. 1738. Yo. Dude, there's no way. Dude, I love this. I love this Monty body because look at his head. Oh, legendary. Okay. Come on. These should be the. No, I didn't just get that. I did not just get that. It's duplicate. Chimera, I dislike that. Rare, let's go. I have the legendary camera for that, but that's cool. I just got another Chimera. Oh, epic. Okay. Please be not. I don't want it to be duplicate black ice, but I really want. I want it to be maybe one for a secondary. I mean, having it for like bandit or something would be cool, but I want it as secondary. God. Actually, you know what? I'll probably. No, I have the elite skin camo for that, so I'm not gonna use it. Oh my God, Twitch, Jaeger. Og? Oh my God, that was so lucky. Okay, well it seems like the end of these alpha packs is just gonna be that's the 4th time I've gotten this stupid skin. Oh wait, this is an epic. This please be something that's really good with black eyes. Okay, well I mean I got the headgear for it too, so what are we at? We have 3 more. Uh-oh. Alright. Uncommon. I hate that. Uncommon. Please don't end on a common or an uncommon. Oh, last one is legendary? Oh, okay. Alright. Please be something really good. Cupcake charm. Jesus. What is this? Alright. That wraps up my alpha pack opening that I've been saving up since December. Which, I don't know how many months that's like 6 or 7 months, I think. But is it? Oh, never mind. But thanks for whoever tuned in and came and watched the stream. I got some really good black ice. I really am so happy that I got some of my favorite black ice for my favorite weapons. But dude, shush. But thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you later.